Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fire kit pouch is probably one of the most important pieces of equipment you can have for any outdoor adventure, emergency situation, or even just peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great fire kit pouch, exploring essential features, must-have items, and the best options currently available on the market, helping you choose the perfect pouch to keep you safe and warm no matter the situation. Number 5. AOFAR Magnesium Fire Starter AF374. This is the AOFAR AF374 Magnesium Fire Starter, your reliable companion for outdoor adventures. It's designed to ignite fires easily, even in the toughest conditions. Simply scrape the magnesium rod with the striker to create sparks. These sparks ignite the magnesium, starting a fire quickly and efficiently. It's built to last. This fire starter can be used thousands of times, making it a worthwhile investment for any outdoor enthusiast. Don't let rain or snow stop you. Its waterproof design ensures it works reliably in any weather, providing you with warmth and safety when you need it most. It comes with everything you need: a magnesium rod, flint, steel scraper, and even fire paracord. The included waxed flax tinder ensures instant fire starting, even in heavy rain. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 2-year limited warranty and lifetime customer support with your purchase. What we like. It offers waterproof tinder and a long-lasting magnesium rod. If you need a reliable fire starter for any weather, this is your best bet. Its waterproof and long-lasting features make it perfect for camping, hiking, or survival situations where you need a dependable fire source, even in harsh conditions. What people say. It's easy to use and carry, works great, especially when you need something to make a fire in a punch without looking for brush or rubbing sticks together. Started a fire in 5 seconds. Flint and steel is great, magnesium will blow your mind. Temps: ignition 700 degrees Fahrenheit, burn 4000 degrees Fahrenheit. This one comes with flammable paracord, yes, some are, which helps for ignition. Mag shavings and para and tinder. 1 to 2 sparks equals a fire, smiley face. Number 4. TACAMO 15-piece Fire Starter Kit. This kit has everything you need to start a fire, no matter the conditions. It includes a ferro rod, tinder, and even paracord. It's built to work even when it's wet or windy. The premium ferro rod and striker ensure you'll always be able to start a fire. This versatile kit is perfect for camping, hiking, or any emergency situation. You'll be prepared for anything with waxed wood chips, fatwood, and jute tinder. The rugged, waterproof canvas pouch keeps everything safe and organized. It can even be used as a water container in a survival situation. Designed by veterans, this kit is built to perform in the toughest conditions. You can trust it to get you through any challenge. It includes a ferro rod, magnifying glass, Fresnel lens, and various tinder sources, giving you multiple ways to start a fire. What we like. This kit has everything you need for fire starting in one place. If you're looking for a complete and versatile solution for all your fire starting needs, this is the one. Designed by veterans, it's built to withstand tough conditions and provides reliable performance in any situation. What people say. This kit is a good start or base to build a custom kit from. I love the waxed canvas bag and the metal tin that holds it all. I love that it came with metal containers to make and store char cloth. I love the perfectly sized fire steel and the fat rope fire timber. Love the chunks and shavings of aromatic fat wood. Comes with everything needed to get a good fire going. Great for outdoors. Number 3. Ferro Rod Fire Starter Kit. This kit has everything you need to start a fire, no matter the situation. It's perfect for emergencies or outdoor adventures. It features a durable ferro rod that creates intense sparks to ignite tinder quickly. The wood handle and paracord lanyard offer a secure and comfortable grip. The included tinder is a wax-infused jute rope in an aluminum tube. It's designed for easy lighting and controlled burning. 3 6-inch sections of fire rope are provided. Each section burns for up to 45 minutes and is weatherproof. Everything packs neatly into a custom nylon pouch with maul straps for convenient carrying and organization. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. It boasts a premium ferro rod and includes easy-to-light tinder. If you value quality and convenience, this kit is for you. The high-quality ferro rod and user-friendly tinder ensure quick and easy fire starting, making it ideal for both experienced and novice users. What people say. The pouch is very nice and seems made out of very durable material. Everything appears to be well thought out and well made. The case is especially handy as it will attach via mall straps to any of my backpacks, freeing up space on the inside of them. Utiliza materials de alta calidad y su construcción es muy sólida. Number 2. Motis Fire Pocket Organizer. It has multiple compartments to keep your tools organized. There are sections for small items and a separate area for larger equipment. This handy pouch keeps everything together in one small, easy-to-carry package. It's designed to fit inside your bunker gear pants pocket. Keep your gear within easy reach at all times. It efficiently organizes your equipment for quick access. Made with durable 600D nylon and a strong webbing handle, it's built to withstand tough conditions. A removable flap secures your accessories. Motis is a team of firefighters who understand the needs of modern heroes. We design ergonomic and efficient tools to make your job easier. What we like. This pouch keeps your firefighter tools organized and easily accessible. If you need a durable and well-organized way to carry your tools, this is the perfect choice. Its design prioritizes ease of access and durability, making it a practical solution for firefighters and other professionals. What people say. Really convenient way to organize all those small loose items in my turnouts. i.e., screwdriver, wire cutters, flashlight. Keeps my tools organized, and better yet, stops my tools from putting holes in my pockets. The product is well designed and created with many options for personal use. Number 1. Kentucky Bushcraft Tote. This handcrafted tote is perfect for your next outdoor adventure. Its water-resistant waxed canvas keeps your gear safe and dry. Made from high-quality waxed canvas, it's built to last. It's tough enough to handle anything you throw at it. Keep your fire starter essentials organized and easily accessible. No more fumbling around in the dark. It's ideal for tools, toiletries, or anything else you need on your trip. The spacious design keeps everything neatly in place. Each tote is carefully handcrafted in Kentucky, ensuring superior quality and attention to detail. You're getting a piece of American craftsmanship. With dimensions of approximately 10.5 inches long, 4.5 inches tall, and 3 inches wide at the base, it's the perfect size for carrying your essentials. It's compact but spacious enough for what you need. What we like. It's water-resistant and perfect for various uses. If you appreciate handcrafted quality and need a versatile, water-resistant pouch for your fire kit or other gear, this is it. Its durability and versatility make it suitable for various outdoor activities and storage needs. What people say. Quality, rugged and sturdy, spacious, all-purpose pouch from a great small business. I have purchased many of their waxed canvas bags and pouches and each have held up for years so far with routine outdoor use. The canvas is the perfect thickness, and waxed for water resistance. The YKK zipper seems indestructible, pouch zips closed all the way. Very high quality. Hard to find these days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.